Thanks for joining me. If you're looking at filing an L1 application, one of the requirements obviously is to demonstrate that the companies have a qualifying relationship. Now, unfortunately, this is not as easy as it sounds. So there's a lot of documents to prove that the two companies, so the American company and the foreign company, let's assume it's a Canadian company, have a qualifying relationship. But essentially, there's no restrictions on the type of business that can apply for an L1A visa. So it could be a corporation, it could be a partnership, etc. Now, how to demonstrate a qualifying relationship, there's 4 ways of doing that. It could be either a branch, a subsidiary, a parent, or an affiliate. Now, it's very difficult to explain what they each mean in just a simple video, but those are the 4 ways of demonstrating that there is a qualifying relationship between the American company and the foreign company. So as a branch, you're basically operating a division, and the same organization is just based in a different location. That's really what a branch really means. A subsidiary could be a legal entity of which a parent owes and directs, indirectly or directly, more than half the entity and controls that particular entity. But then it could also be, if it's less than 50%, it could still also qualify, but then there's specific regulations for that as well. So when we look at qualifying relationship, one of the documents that we can look at is the share registry. Now, this way we can demonstrate who owns what percentage, and based on that we can determine if it should be a branch, an affiliate, a subsidiary, a parent, and so forth. But the rule of thumb, the way it's easy to kind of understand is it has to be a qualifying relationship where the foreign company and the American company own proportionately the same amount of the company, so the same share registry. So for example, the US company has a person A and a person B that have 50% in the company, and then the Canadian company, let's say that's the foreign company, the individuals would have 50-50 as well, for example. Or let's say if it's a little bit less, let's say it's 60-40, it's still proportionate. However, if it's like 10-90, then it's no longer proportionate. So that's one easy way of looking at it if the two companies are a qualifying relationship. Again, it's not easily done, so I do recommend that if you're not sure if your company or the employer's company does qualify under the qualifying relationship, get an expert to review it. One last tip I want to say is that if it's a franchise, it doesn't qualify. Most of these applications are refused by the visa office. So if you are a franchisee or franchisor, then it does not qualify. That's one tip, because we do see a lot of clients calling us in regards to that. If you have any questions about an L1 visa and how you can demonstrate the qualifying relationship, give us a call today. We're here to help. Thank you, and until next time.